You think you're off course, that the path you're taking has brought you far away from your objective. It may not be a lack of direction. It may be a lack of focus. And the card that I'm going to show you from the Oracle of the Lake deck will help you understand this more when it's revealed to you. And that card is the Set Your Course card. Look at the vibrant energy in that. Very direct and focused. So when it shows up, this card, when maybe you lack direction and you're questioning it, or you're way off course, and being off course feels a little ADHD. Like, do I go here? Do I go there? Do I take care of this? Do I take care of that? And there's no steering of that beautiful canoe going straight ahead. This card reveals focus on choosing your path wisely and recasting off in its direction with purpose and commitment. It is connection to that purpose and commitment that keeps you on track. It's actually an air card, and it appears when you're asking yourself questions like, how did I end up here? Or what's my initial reason for taking this path? Or how do I actually get back on track? Because I know that that's what I need to be doing. So stop overthinking, clear your head, get some fresh air, shift the energy of your mindset from being stuck and off course to moving back to the opportunity, the purpose, and the alignment of being on course. Ask yourself what it is you are trying to accomplish and what's the best way to get there. Align with that. Read the description below and set your course of understanding all of the aspects of the Oracle of the Lake deck by hitting the link in there. And I will see you in the next card.